What do you want me to do?
Just be yourself.
Okay.
Jared Polinfro knows.
Photo.com,
and I'm here with
Lillian.
And how are you today, Lillian?
It's a beautiful, beautiful day.
It's a beautiful, beautiful day. What you coughing for?
I don't know. It's medication too.
Oh yeah. God bless you.
I didn't sneeze.
I know. Bring it out there. Did you get it? You know how many tissue boxes we've gone through since you left?
None.
We haven't gone through any. You all right? You need more?
No.
You good? Wrap this tissue up. It's got stuff in it. Here, there you go. You need water?
A little drink.
I'll go get it. You want some vodka?
What, dear?
Vodka? You want vodka?
I didn't hear you.
Do you want liquor?
No, no.
It's vodka. It's not vodka. It's water. Here, I'll hold it for you. Was it good? So, guess what?
What?
I got a new camera.
I know. I told you it looked different.
Oh, you told me it looked different?
I was looking at it all the time. You had a big one.
Well, that's still a big one. That's a Nikon D4. Can you say Nikon D4? Nikon D4.
My?
Nikon.
Oh, Nikon.
D4.
D4.
Do you know how much that what do you think that camera cost?
Where, the one standing there?
Yeah, that one. If you had a guess.
If I had a guess, the way it's standing?
Yeah.
The way it's standing in my eyes and what I know about cameras.
What do you know about cameras?
Very little.
Okay, so how much?
I'd say it's worth about, I know it's smaller. Was it bigger before, a bigger?
Same size.
You know what?
What?
I'll be honest with you. I can't tell the difference.
Well, you got.
I know it's a little or smaller.
You got to guess a price.
A price?
Yeah. Like, let's make a deal.
Oy, oy, oy. And what area should I go?
That's for you to guess. You guess whatever price you think it is.
What, the camera only?
Yeah.
I say the camera and the stand, sure.
How much?
Actually, I can't give a price. I've lost my, you know what I mean.
Just pick any number. Or do you just...
I know you had a bigger one.
All right, I'll tell you how much it was. You want me to tell you? I'm going to whisper it in your ear. $6,000.
Nah.
What did I say?
You're 6,000.
Yeah.
You're kidding me.
No.
You mean that camera is 6,000?
Just the camera's $6,000.
Well, it must be a good camera,
It's a good one.
and it's smaller,
Okay.
isn't it?
No. It's basically the same.
I don't know why.
But what's it say on it? Can you read that? What it says?
On the top,
Yeah.
I know there's something there, but I can't.
It says Nikon.
Nikon, Nikon.
I only shoot Nikon. All right. So you want to say anything to the people out there today?
It's a beautiful day here, and I can't tell you what I wish everybody, the best of everything there is.
Okay.
There's a little camera. It's taking nice pictures, I bet.
Yep. All right. Thank you, Lil.
You're welcome, I'm sure, my dear.
Jared Poland, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.